this video, I will show you how to connect Apollo.io to Hubspot. So to do this, what you want to do is inside of Apollo, go to your admin settings, so click right here, and then click on integrations. That will show you all the available integrations in Apollo. They have quite a few of them now, but you will find Hubspot somewhere up on the list. So on Hubspot, click connect. Now here click yes, continue. And this is a bi-directional sync, meaning it syncs two ways. Now here, if you already have an account, which you most likely do, click sign into your Hubspot account. If you don't have one, click create a new Hubspot account. Then select your company on Hubspot right here and click choose account. Now from here it does say you're connecting an unverified app, but here you can see what it has access to. For me, I understand the risks of connecting an unverified app and then click connect app. So from there we have now connected HubSpot and Apollo. So it will now redirect you, and under integrations you should now be able to see HubSpot, and you can see your contacts, you can map them, you can see your accounts, your deals, activities, and you can now start using it. And again, it syncs both ways, so updates here will also update in HubSpot and the other way around. So now you know how to integrate Apollo with HubSpot. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.